Things have slowed down since Israel and his team have left for 4 weeks. So we're just kind of doing things, mechanicals and number of things to be ready for them when they get back. So what you're looking at here is EPDM, which is a rubber membrane having been applied to the SIPs to protect them from the stone and concrete slab that we're going to pour. So John and I installed those this past week, and also installed 2 runs of PVC, which will act as a conduit for the HVAC lines, actually the AC line, because I'm hiding it behind the garage, as well as the fiber optics that will run through that to get to the mechanical room. In addition, we formed up all the footers for the piers for the deck. So you can kind of see there's actually 10 of them that wrap around that side of the house. So we're all ready for that, and the garage slab and those pier footers, as well as the front porch, will be poured next week. Other than that, Gary and Joe, Gary the plumber, Joe the electrician, have been making real good progress. Mostly working on the bedroom side of the house, but running electric and PVC drainage. So the electric in the bathroom is just about done. Drops for the recessed lights, switches, all the wiring run for switches for the various fans and lights in this room and in the 2 bedrooms. And they'll be working on that for the next couple weeks, and then HVAC will come in for probably a month. So that's what's been happening. Here's more of the pier footers. Yeah, so next week, preparing for pouring concrete and more mechanicals. It goes kind of slow, and they're in the stage of doing the mechanicals. They just take a long time, and it doesn't feel like much is happening. So that's where we're at.